Hi, I am Dr. Pradeepkumar Sundarraj, founder and CEO of Kelvin6k. Kelvin6k is into developing robots which make houses. So these houses can be made within a span of 30 days, and we make large-scale industrial robot which we send it to site and can able to complete your entire home is what we do at Kelvin6k. And this program is very close to my heart because it's concentrated too much towards sustainability, and what we make at Kelvin6k is to make your entire construction 3D printing more sustainable, right? And we are very much happy and proud to be part of this program. So this is the one of its kind which I'm seeing first time tworks Hyderabad, and I was really astonished by the facility that they have. I normally used to go and roam around in any mechanical lab or any tinkering lab. Right now I have to even have 1 or 2 days to entirely see what are the facilities that they have. That much of facility in one place, how these can help startup to complete their startup prototyping to the development in a single facility is nowhere to be seen in the entire country. And I'll also appreciate tworks for taking this initiative to build a very world-class system in order to help startup to bring their product from idea to market. HDFC Parivartan program is like helping startup who is into sustainable innovative manufacturing, right? Where Kelvin6k at its heart is towards sustainability, making your entire construction ecosystem and the manufacturing ecosystem more towards sustainable sectors. These kind of programs, if it gets recognized, it will reach multiple audience, and that will be very helpful for our startup to make us in the front line and showing how Kelvin6k can deploy more sustainable technologies for the current usage in the construction as well as the modern manufacturing sector.